The 16th problem of this first ACT practice test focuses on the concept of acceleration. A car accelerated from 88 feet per second to 220 feet per second in exactly 3 seconds. Assuming the acceleration was constant, what was the car's acceleration in feet per second from 88 feet per second to 220 feet per second? So when dealing with a problem involving acceleration, it's helpful to know what acceleration truly means. And if you've ever taken a physics class, you may actually see the formula for acceleration, that acceleration is just how much your speed changes in a given amount of time. Or more formally, how much your velocity changes in a given amount of time. Though in our particular case, velocity and speed can be interchangeable since we're going in just one direction. But to be consistent with the physics definition, I will use velocity, though keep in mind that this essentially just means speed. And then this is divided by how much time has passed, or essentially the change in time. So we can use this equation to quickly find the acceleration. So the acceleration is equal to the change in velocity on top divided by the change in time. Well, we know that it only took 3 seconds for this to happen. So the change in time is 3. Now, the change in speed, it went from 88 to 220. So we'll want to subtract 88 from 220 to see exactly how much it went up. Since that's what we're focused on how much it changed. So it'd be 220 minus 88. And when we do the math, what we're left with is 132 divided by 3, which we can further simplify. And our final answer is 44. And this is feet per second, or per second squared, which might seem kind of confusing, the whole per second, but it might be easier to think of it like this, that the acceleration is 44 feet per second, and this happens every second. So every second, you're gaining 44 feet per second. So when the units work out, what you end up with is second in the denominator squared. So our final answer here is this choice letter H.